Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Vechain update, and quickly join me into the Discord if you don't want to miss these updates as well. The link is in the description of this video, and let's talk about Vechain. Is this thing gonna actually pump? Speculative right now. The prices seems like they want to move to the upside as well. It's like the daily is becoming so bullish at this very point of time, right? And you're already crossing above the 20 a little bit and the 10 as well. But what I was suggesting is that we wait a little bit for the retest of this blue line and hold the blue line right now and then continue to the upside. And it's very important to note Bitcoin as well. If Bitcoin starts to roll over, there's a little bit of a less volume with Bitcoin that I actually just noticed. But to me, it seems like Vechain is actually a little bit interested to bottom out from here and go to this blue line of 0.07351, and then from there, who knows, our actual reversal starts to continue. So if you do go to the 0.07, that would be amazing. You are going to be putting in a morning star for Vechain as well, and that would be actually very, very bullish for coming in next week. Okay, so even if today you do go up to the 69 just like this, you're putting in a nice beautiful morning star right there, and then through that morning star it actually pretty much tells us that the trend reversal is actually gonna come in through. And what I'm gonna do actually is make this one into the Q coin exchange, yeah, something like this, and this could be your wave 4 bottom right there. You see, the waveform for bottom could actually be this one, and if it does become that one, that would be amazing. And as a matter of fact, we're actually jumping into the back into the yellow, this yellow line right there, the yellow resistance line right there, and we've already been very, very, very oversold to the downside. Okay, so you've been just going down and down and down and down. So who knows, last time we had reversals from here, look how it went high. You had another reversal, look how it went high. If you could have another reversal like a V for Vechain, you could still continue to the upside. And I really want to see this fifth wave continue its journey, man. I mean, this is what we've been waiting for Vechain. Okay, so far the plan is working out. Okay, the plan is working out. The first wave, the second wave, third wave, the fourth wave. I don't know if it's ever going to come down a little bit to the 35 again. That will still be positive as long as you're never going to go below the 21. If you go below the 21, then that's pretty much it. Okay, you're losing that Elliott wave structure theory for me to say that, oh, $1 is there, even 75 cents is there. So that push to cross 25 cents is still in play as long as you actually follow the Elliott wave theory. Now this is on the weekly time frame. Of course, it's gonna take some few weeks before it actually goes there, probably some months, maybe by the end of the year. Okay, so that's just how things look to me at this very point of time, and that's it for today's Vechain update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.